video, you guys. Sitting at the embalming table, I have a package in front of me. What does that mean? It means it's another unboxing video, that's right. And I'm actually excited about this one. So this was something that was sent to me from PunkRave, and I know PunkRave has like a million factions around the world, all different countries and whatever. This one specifically is from punkrave.ch, which is Switzerland, PunkRave Switzerland. They sent me something. What is it? I don't actually, yeah, I mean, we're going to find out together here what it is. So they sent it through DHL. I would like to say, for the record, that DHL sucks buffalo balls, and it was actually really hard for me to get this, like really hard for me to get this. And I bitched about it, but you will be happy to know that punkrave.ch has actually switched, and they're not using DHL anymore. Thank God for that. So they've switched to a different shipping provider. So if you choose to order from them, you won't have to deal with the bullshit that I had to deal with to get this package. But anyway, it is finally in my possession, and I am so happy. So let's open it and see what's in here. Do not cut the merchandise. Do not cut the merchandise. Oh, it's so scary. I fucking hate this part. Careful. Careful. So careful. Success. Okay. Ooh, it's white. So that go away, package. We don't want you anymore. Ooh. Ooh, lace cravat. Ooh. Oh. It's a beautiful gentleman's blouse. You guys know that white is not usually my jam, but I did just watch the movie Gypsy 83. I don't know if you guys have ever seen it, but oh my God, the goth boy in that, be still my little black heart. He is so adorable, and he wears one of these like white gentleman's poet blouses, and you can bet your ass that I'm immediately gonna live out my like androgynous goth boy fantasy through this shirt. I was planning on trying this on at my house and just showing you and being like, oh, like, look how fabulous my new PunkRave thing is. But I am immediately not doing that. We're going to do something way more dramatic. Just you wait and see. Here we go. it, my beautiful montage in the cemetery of me trying on this gentleman's blouse, which, I'm not gonna lie, I didn't know it was sheer. Like, this is like completely fucking sheer, you guys. So, make sure you have appropriate underclothes if you're gonna order something sheer. That's the lesson I learned today. Anyways, like, you guys know I'm always a fan of, I make like 95% of my own clothing, DIY, upcycle, thrift stores. I'm always saying this kind of stuff. And it's true, that feeds your creativity and it means you don't look like everyone else. But I, like everyone else, do have a few pieces of goth clothing ordered from companies. I've got a couple things from like Lip Service, PunkRave, whatever. I can think of maybe 5 or 6 things in my closet that I didn't make myself. And if you're going to do that, the key to it is not to just look at the picture on their website and say, I'm going to do what they did. I see way too many people do that, especially girls. They look at the picture and say, that's the style, that's how they styled it, therefore that's how I'm going to style it. The key to looking like an individual, like a true, real person, if you order something that other people have like this, it's about how you style it, right? Be creative in your own head. Think of a way to style it that like not everyone else has done, and then that's gonna make you look extra fucking cool when you're doing this kind of thing. So I really appreciate PunkRave sending me this gentleman's blouse. It's amazing. It's not like anything else. I don't own anything like this, which is pretty fucking amazing because I have a lot of clothes. And you know, being a lady and not an actual dude, there are things that don't fit me. Like, this is a lot too big, so I'm gonna take in the neck and fix that to fit myself. But I'm a very hard fit, so like this fits pretty damn good considering my fitting problems, and I love it. It's beautiful. It's nice and light for the summer, nice and light and breezy. And PunkRave actually gave me my own discount code. So if any of you guys are interested in ordering anything, if you go to punkrave.ch and you enter the code Absinthe21, you will get 20% off of your order. We're going to list all of the details and specifics in the description and the website and all that stuff, so you can check it out. Go there if you want to see anything. And I believe that's it for this video. If you want to follow me on any of the things, here we go with the list. I have Instagram, I have Twitter, I have TikTok, I have Facebook, I have Depop, and I have Kofi. That's the list. So Instagram, Madame_Absinthe, where I'm definitely going to be posting a picture of this outfit, which is so pretty. Twitter, same thing, Madame_Absinthe for sewing in progress, last pictures of my makeup, whatever. Kofi.com/MadameAbsinthe if you want to buy me a Kofi and support my like weird ass fabric art. And also we're saving up to buy some like real photo and recording equipment. I want a microphone so I don't have to yell all the time, although I probably will yell all the time anyways. So Kofi.com if you want to buy me one there. TikTok, MadameAbsinthe on TikTok if you want to watch my like very stupid videos that I make there, and also the saga of my haunted candle, which is ongoing and I'll be posting more of soon. Depop to check out my secondhand clothes that I'm selling off, also some of Jessica's, some of Brody's, and some other stuff. Depop.com/MadameAbsinthe. Facebook, MadameAbsinthe. You just got to search it. It's the one with a picture of my face on it. I'll be posting pictures of this there as well. And I believe that's it. I hope you guys love this shirt in this super fun unboxing video as much as I do. And I will see you all around for my next fabulous fashion montage. Maybe not in the cemetery. Probably in the cemetery. I hang out there a lot. Bye, everybody!